Hi guys, this is Goldie and thank you so much for joining me on my page on YouTube at Take a Walk with Goldie. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and hit that button over there. You know, it's the red pretty little one, the flashy one, and also leave little cute comments and don't forget to like the videos. So today we are going to be speaking about makeup, but not makeup in general. We are actually going to focus on foundations. We all know, ladies out there, that back in the day nobody really cared about baking their face. We didn't even know that term existed. Now we have contouring, we got glitter, we have all kinds of things. Because I love you so much, I am going to share with you my top 3 favorite foundations, and I am rating them from 3rd to 1st place. There are a lot of great products out there, don't get me wrong. These are my choices because these are the ones I work with. But you can also try drugstore foundations. You know, there's so many. But I'm going to tell you why I love these ones and why I rated them the way I do. So guys, let me explain to you why these are my 3 choices. And let me start with my first one, like the 3rd place. That will be the MAC Studio Fix. You see what it looks like? That will be on my 3rd place. On my 2nd place will be the Kat Von D foundation, which is completely awesome also, don't get it wrong, it has almost full coverage and all that. My ultimate first choice, which I actually have on my face right now and I'm in love with it completely, will be the NARS. Details will be down in the description, what shade I use for my own tone of skin and everything else. Okay, so let me explain now. In 3rd place, we're gonna speak about the MAC Studio Fix foundation. This foundation was my go-to foundation. I used it even in my sleep if I could. You know, I took it everywhere. But with time I noticed, because I have very oily skin, I have oily and dry skin at the same time. Those are the 2 worst kind of combinations you can think of when it comes to makeup. So I noticed with time that this foundation made my skin very oily. After an hour of beating the hell out of my face, this foundation became very oily and greasy and I had to stay all day and pat and I didn't like that. So I had to find something else that worked better for me. I would still use this foundation, of course. In the daytime, I would choose that, you know, for a simple look, you know, a beach look, something mild, you know, but not for a full coverage. So MAC, I love you, you're amazing. I'm sure you have other great products out there, but you're gonna have to chill for now. So in 2nd place, we are choosing the almighty Kat Von D. This foundation has complete coverage. It's fantastic. It's good for makeup artists, and if you want to have that face beat still smithereens, this is the foundation to go to. My cons of this foundation is the texture. It is just too thick for me. Like, I need something that is fluid. I need something that I can just dash in there, not continuously try to cake it up. Yes, it has the full coverage, but it just doesn't quite work for me. And also another con I have is the color of it. It has a yellow base to it, so I always feel like I have to go very low with my foundation, like all the way down to the cleavage area, you know, with this, just to get an even look, because then I have too much of a difference in my face. So Kat Von D, you are amazing. I will still rock you though, because it does have full coverage and it lasts the whole day, like basically 24 hours you can rock this. My all-time favorite, and when I say I am so in love with this foundation, it is perfectly liquid, it is stiff at the same time, and it gives you that glow without actually I have that on right now. That would be NARS. This is a water-based foundation. It is completely fantastic. I mean, it flows on the face. You can dab it with a sponge, with a brush, whatever you choose. It is perfect. And because it's a water-based foundation, it gives you that matte finish. You know, you don't want to be shiny, especially for those who have oily skin. This is perfect for you. I ain't even gonna lie. Like, this is ultimate. I could kiss you right now. No, but I love my lipstick too much right now. This is fantastic. I really suggest you guys try it. If you haven't had it before, like I said, there are a lot of amazing foundations out there. You would find from the drugstores to expensive. And always remember, guys, just because the foundation or the makeup is expensive does not necessarily mean it's great. but this is in first place. I love it to death. I think you guys should try, and do not forget to read in description for details about each and every one of them. You never know, maybe it doesn't work for me, maybe it works perfectly for you. All you gotta do is try it.